morning, everyone. My name is Anissa, and today I would like to present an article titled Factors Informing Tax Compliance, a Meta Analytical Study. And this article was written by Divakara Reddy, Asokan Modle, Oludaya Olukpara. This article was published in 2024. The study was discussed about the factors that influence taxpayers' compliance and explain why some people do tax rules and while the others avoid paying taxes. And guys, taxes are one of the main sources of government income. Governments use tax revenue to support public service such as healthcare, education, public transportation, and even infrastructure. However, many countries still experience problem with tax non-compliance. This means that many taxpayers do not fully pay their tax or avoid their tax. Because of this problem, governments experience something called a tax cap. A tax cap is the difference between the amount of tax that should be paid and the amount of the actual tax that paid by taxpayer. And the researchers believe that understanding taxpayer behavior is very important because it can help governments to improve the tax compliance and increase tax revenue. So for the purpose of this article, there are three main purposes. The first purpose is to identify the main factors influencing tax compliance. The second purpose is to understand why taxpayers comply or do not comply. And third is to provide recommendation for the governments and tax authorities. And for the theoretical framework, the researchers use theory planned behavior or TPB theory. According to this theory, there are three main factors influence people to pay taxes. First is personal attitude. The second factor is social influence, and the third is external condition or behavior control. The researchers used this theory to explain taxpayer behavior because they believe that taxpayer decisions are not influenced not only by laws and punishment but also by the psychological and social factors. And for the methodology they use in this study, it is quantitative approach with a method called meta-analytical analysis. With meta-analytical analysis, the research method that combines the analyzed result from many previous study to produce stronger and more reliable conclusion. Instead of making a new survey or new interview, the researchers collected many existing journal articles who related to tax compliance and then they analyzed them together. The researchers believe that previous studies about tax compliance often showed different and inconsistent results. Some studies say that tax audit were important and the other focus only about the subject, and the other studies also only talk about the trust in government. Because of this difference, the researchers want to combine many studies together to identify the most important factors influencing tax compliance. To get the article or to collect the article and journal, the researchers had three database or sources. The first is Web of Science, second is Scopus, and third is ProQuest. At first time, the researchers found 1,222 journal articles related to the tax compliance. And that's not only article used in the analyze. The researchers carefully selected the articles and journals using Prisma or preferred reporting items for a systematic review and meta-analysis. With this Prisma method, the researchers selected the articles systematically and avoid bias during the selection purpose. For the Prisma method, there is several steps. The first step is identification steps. So in these steps, the researchers remove study that didn't contain enough information about respondent. And you know that I mentioned before, in this steps the researchers had 1,222 articles and journals. And the second step is a screening step. They check whether the studies match the criteria, and then they analyze the article. They got 147 articles and journal related to the topic. And the third steps is find eligibility. They use a final meta-analysis and they had 47 data. After selecting the studies, the researchers categories and coded the data from the article. They analyze about the country, the sample size, research method, and factor influencing tax compliance, and whether the factors had a positive or negative or no influence on taxpayer compliance. The researchers also use statistical analysis to measure something called effect size. And with effect size, help researchers understand how strong a factor influence tax compliance. In addition, the researchers use subgroup analysis. This means that the group factors into categories such as tax administration, tax behavior, and tax policy. So, for the findings, the researchers found that several important factors that influence taxpayer compliance. The first and the most important factor, it is tax administrations. So guys, the study found that taxpayers are more willing to pay tax when the tax administration system is fair, transparent, and easy to understand, not too complicated. The second finding is trust in government. From this article, we know that the study show public trust is strongly affects taxpayer behavior. People are easy to pay their tax if the government's honest with public, transparent, and responsible in managing public money. So, and also the taxpayers is more easy to pay their tax if government provide a good public service such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure using tax revenue. However, there is a lot of people see corruption, poor accountability, or issue in government. The researchers even found that weak government accountability is one of the biggest factors contributing to tax non-compliance and tax gaps. Okay, and for the third finding is related to the taxpayer. It is about behavior and moral. The study found that moral values and social influence can affect taxpayer compliance. For example, when taxpayers are more like to obey tax law when they believe that paying tax is morally correct. They feel proud of their country and their social environment support tax compliance. The researchers even found that patriotism and national pride can encourage voluntary tax compliance. This means that taxpayers may be paid tax not only because of fear of punishment but also because they feel responsible to contributing to their country. And the fourth finding is about tax policy. The study was found that taxpayers prefer tax systems that are fair, simple, and easy to understand. Complex tax regulation can refuse and can make the taxpayer confused to pay their tax, and it is reduced compliance. Taxpayers also more easy to comply when tax rates are reasonable and when policies do not place excessive burdens on them. Okay, and another finding is the different country may experience different factors influencing tax compliance. Of course, it depends on their um, regional characteristic, condition, political system, and level trust in government. Overall, the study conclude that tax compliance is influenced not only by the government or the fairness, but it's also about the moral value, trust, and government quality. I think it is enough for my presentation about this article. I hope this helped you guys to understand, and thank you. See you.